Hello, friends! Today, we will learn verb sentences in English. I eat food in the morning. She drinks milk every day. He runs fast in the park. They play football together. I read a book at night. She writes letters to her friends. He sings songs in the evening. We study English daily. I go to school with my brother. They clean their room every morning. I drink water after running. She reads a book in the morning. He plays cricket with his friends. They write notes for school. I go to the park every evening. We help our parents at home. Studies English after dinner. I watch TV after finishing homework. They run together in the playground. She drinks tea in the evening. She cooks breakfast for her family. They study together in the library. I read stories before sleeping. I go shopping with my mother. He studies hard for exams. She sings softly while cooking. I watch cartoon in the evening. She drinks juice after lunch. He plays badminton on weekends. She reads newspapers in the morning. I read magazines for fun. She cooks dinner every night. He runs every morning to stay fit. We clean the garden on Saturdays. I watch educational videos online. They sing together during school event. She drinks milk in the morning. She writes notes for school. He sings a song nicely. They watch TV in the evening. I wake up early in the morning. She goes to school every day. We learn new words daily. I open the door quickly. They read stories in the class. We write answers in our notebook. I help my friend in homework. They eat lunch together. She buys fruit from the market. He drives a car carefully. We practice English every day. I brush my teeth every morning.